So the look I'm going to do today is the waterfall braid, and it's actually kind of a modified French braid, except it's a little bit bigger, more interesting, I guess, and it's just as easy to do as the French braid, I think. You just have to think about what you're doing. So if you want to know how to do the waterfall braid, just keep watching. So I started by parting my hair on the side because I'm going to do my waterfall braid going back like this. And so first you start it like you would a French braid. You just take this first diagonal piece and just start braiding. And here I'm just starting by doing a French braid. You kind of want to get your braid going like that before you start pulling pieces out for the waterfall braid. And then you add to this top piece then you twist it and you leave that part down, that bottom part down. You grab a new one and then braid it into the hair. Grab a top part, and here I'm just grabbing a bottom piece and I'm braiding it into the hair, and I'm adding to that top piece just to do the added French braid look. And then you braid that added piece into the hair, and the bottom piece you'll always leave out. Grab a new bottom piece. I'm adding hair into the French braid, braiding in the bottom piece, and then leaving a piece out. As you can see, I've got 3 pieces already that I've left out. Then you continue on adding to the top, leaving out a bottom piece, and then grabbing a new piece to braid into the French braid look. And basically all you're doing is leaving the bottom part out of it. Pin it back. And this is the finished look, as you can see. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.